Building your portfolio. So someone in the students recently asked me how exactly we should create a portfolio, and I thought I would include a special lecture for that purpose. um, a portfolio is basically a folder of your work that you have created that you can show to people who want to hire you, so that they can see what you have done, what results you have got, what other things you have created, what Facebook campaigns you have run, what results did you get, and what funnels you have created, and all of their pages, etc. So here's how to do that. For portfolio, I in the client getting section, I told you how you can get clients for trial, or or it's via bartering. That means if you have a graphic designer friend, they can create graphic design for you. You can create a funnel for them, or you can create an ad for them. In that way, you get a testimonial, and you can get to create some work. So find someone who you can, test, implement all of these things you're learning. I know so many people in the course are helping their friends business, and that is a great way to start your, getting your first client. Even if they don't pay you, it's really important to get some testimonials going. Testimonials meaning client reviews of your work. So the testimonials really help out. It really helps to have an example business to work on. So if at the end of the day you tried everything and are like, man, no one is interested in letting me even work for free, then just pick an example business. Probably you just pick a course creation business, or a gym business, or a salon business, or a clothes selling business, whatever. So create a funnel for them. Again, the funnel creation is covered in the next module. Create a Facebook campaign for them, run it for 2 weeks, collect leads, and grab all of those screenshots. Like for example, on my website, if you can see, um, I have grabbed screenshots of the results I've gotten. Now these are quite old, and I'm going to be updating all of them. But I have a case study video, which is also what you can create, where I am exactly explaining that we spent this amount, we got these many sales, and we got, all of those things. So I have a case study video. If you have this, it's really helpful. So you can definitely do that. Or you can grab leads like 12 email signups at cost per lead is 0.37, which is again good results. 8 email signups at 1.2 dollars, 0.4 at dollar clicks, cost per clicks, and page likes at 2 rupees, which is 3 cents. So this was an India account. And then on the landing page side, you can actually attach the landing page you created. For example, if I created this landing page called my webinar registration page, this is what it looks like. So what I can do is, I have this Chrome plugin called screen capture, full page screen capture, and it captures everything. And what I can do then is, send this to client, and this is how it looks like. It just downloads my entire page, and then you can tell the client, hey, I designed this, I wrote the copy, I hooked the email responder, I wrote this copy, I designed it, I did everything. This is a landing page, and this is what I created. So you can judge me on my design skills and everything. So like, this is what you can upload in a Google Drive. And then if you suppose wrote a sales page, um, so then what you can do is, again, download this Chrome extension, full page screen capture, and then you can download this entire page. But of course, don't steal stuff. Like, only create stuff that you have done on your own, and then screenshot it. Like, don't copy my stuff or download my sales pages and shoot them as your own, because first of all, I'll sue you. I'm not kidding. Like, don't steal stuff, okay? And don't steal anyone else's stuff. Also create the stuff and then screenshot it. So as you can see, this actually plugin even takes screenshot of a huge page also. So you will be able to see that it will be split into 3 images. Like, the whole page that I have designed can now be downloaded as a PDF. yeah, so now you can see like this whole page is design downloaded as a PDF, and now you can say, hey, I did the copy, I did the design, I hooked up the payment, I did integrate the this deadline funnel thing. So everything you can, this is how you showcase your work. Basically, you create something, you screenshot it, and you share it. In terms of funnels, in terms of Facebook ads, you create either case study videos like this, which you can check out from my website, or you can take screenshots of these many leads at this cost per lead, or these many leads at this, or link clicks at this rate. And these are landing page things, landing page opt-in rates. Like if 47 people visited, 19 people opted, that means 45% conversion rate, which is really really good. Anything about 20% in landing pages is considered really good. So like these are 40% conversion rates. That is what I've showcased. So going back to the slides, this is what you can do. So basically collect all of the ad graphics you can create by the Canva video that I showed you in the Facebook ads module. You can create funnel links by funnels by the next module that I'll teach you. You can create a Facebook campaign. I've already taught you in the Facebook ads module. Screenshot everything that you've created by taking an example business or a friend's business or your first trial client's business, and then create a folder. Upload that folder into a Google Drive and Dropbox. I hope you know how to do that. If not, you can definitely Google it, because again, this is a marketing course, not a computer 101 course. So find how you can create a Google Drive and share it with people. Again, in this course, I can't create a tutorial for every single thing that you can easily Google, because again, how productive would the course be, right? The things that you can easily find on Google, do that and learn in that way. Google is your best friend. I have learned 1,000 things on Google, small things that I need to search. So definitely have that habit in mind, and you can then share the folder to prospective clients like, hey, this is my portfolio, this is what I've done, and let me know what you think. Okay.